Hi, good morning and welcome to Floor Coverings. We're now in a brand new decade. I cannot believe it's 2020. We're based just outside Cambridge in a village called Dry Drayton, and we have we have the most impressive flooring showroom definitely within Cambridgeshire, and one of the most impressive flooring showrooms in the whole of the country. We are Amtico One. We have everything that Amtico do. We have a huge display of cars, wooden flooring. We also around here have Quickstep with all their new colours in the brand new signature range for the laminate. We have over here the Quickstep hardwood. We have stunning, and they are stunning, Roger Oates stair runners, and also can be made into rugs. The nice thing with Roger Oates is that it lines up stripes as you're going up the stairs. If you come through this part of the showroom, and we're still only downstairs, you will find we are Karndean Platinum with absolutely everything Karndean does. Oh, and here are our two awards. We won actually, to be fair, Flooring Retailer of the Year for 2015 and Flooring Retailer of the Year for 2018, which actually no other independent flooring retailer has ever done in the whole of the country. If we come up here, you will find a huge selection of carpets from twist piles, Saxonies, loops, Axminsters, Wiltons, you name it. We've got it. We are also, I'll just show you very quickly, Carpet Foundation members. We've been one of those for, gosh, at least 10 years. The company was established in 1996, so we're now in our 24th year. This is all carpets on the floor as well. We've got 100 meters of Quickstep laminate. And then through here we have the entire alternative flooring range. We also have the entire crucial trading range on display. So if you're looking for flooring and you're in and around Cambridge, come give us a shout, because if I'm honest with you, you'd be crazy not to at least come to the showroom to have a look. Our fantastic staff are always on hand to help and advise you on the floor coverings you need. And we also have a brilliant team of fitters that are fully employed by the company to install your wonderful new flooring. Floor Coverings Dry Drayton, open Monday through to Saturday, 10 till 5. See you soon.